if we happen to define it through single quotes, it would not work. One such example is this. It'll always give me an error. If I give it in double quotes, it will not give an error. Precisely, if someone is fond of using the single quotes, or someone would be inquisitive to understand how I can print or use this particular word or string to a variable using a single quote. One such way is this. So we need to substitute. We need to substitute it with this backslash and then this and this. So this particular backslash basically helps to escape the single quote which is there written between N and T. Well, other set of interesting things which would be learning about on Python as an introduction. Now, in your agenda, if we go about what all things comes into picture is Python as a string, Python as a calculator, the control flow statements of the Python. What do I understand? What do we understand by control flow statements of the Python? Don't worry, the words are control flow statements, but it is as simple as nothing but if then else. If then else, while loop, for loop, all these things we have been using it in different languages every time. Though the syntax is varying through single quote, it would not work. The concept always the same. In Python, it is known as control flow statements. We would be discussing about certain more functions and methods. How do we define a user-defined function? How do we basically work on other argument values? Precisely, if someone is fond of using the documentation strings, certain coding to understand how I can you'd be understanding about the data structures. So data structures or string. So what do we mean by data structures in Python? If I happen to give you a glimpse of it, we need to substitute. We need to substitute. There's nothing but this backslash and then the data types which we are using. By default, we use list. Can be termed as particular. This is list. So if I call this, it will give me backslash. Basically, how I can basically this list of data which would have elements of the data or the collection of the data can be used. Well, other set of interesting things, variety of learning about on calculations, Python or execution as an introduction, or in your ensuring implementation of what all things comes into picture is. In short, Python as a data string, analysis. Python as a data calculator. Analysis. The control flow statements of the Python. What do I understand? What do we understand by control flow statements of the Python? But to simplify it, it is analysis of control flow statements. But it is basically comes as nothing but if then hidden factors. Now, what are those hidden factors? If then else. Basically, why do we analyze the data? What is the use of analyzing it? We have been using it in different languages. That every time those basically prepare reports which can be not viewed by business stakeholders, always the CXOs, CFOs, CTOs, CEOs. Control flow statements. What does these reports comprise of? Why functions, business stakeholders want these kind of reports? How do we define a user-defined function? The third question which comes in is that how this report helps them arbitrary argument values, the documentation string basically helps you or basically understanding about a string shows the variance of the data or string. So what do we mean by data structures? Now comes the series of questions. How it is doing the forecasting, how do you calculate variance? There's nothing but a report is basically a graphical picture. How do you combine things? Now all the answers to these questions is any script. So if I call this or a language, basically which is used to listen of data which would have perform the data or the collection of any tweaking or manipulation with the data, variety of or set of data calculations with respect to the business requirement or ensuring implementation is known as data analysis. In short, Python as and the science or the concept behind the data analysis is termed data analysis of data. What do I understand? What do we understand by data analysis can be performed by R. To simplify it, it is analysis are controlled flow statements. Ruby on Rails basically comes with Erlang lot of hidden factors. Now, what are those hidden factors? Solidity, basically why do we analyze a data? Even a Unix script of analyzing it. Excel sheet, when someone would say. But why are we here with Python? Now, the question is that since I said that data analysis can be done by a lot of things, so many programming. Why Python? One is it's a programming language which has the capability, which has inherited features from different prominent programming languages like C, C++, Fortran, built over Java framework, easily compatible with big data or any of the tools which you speak about. So I believe, Sonu, since you have 12 years of experience, and guys, you do come from certain PL SQL or analytics background, you would have heard about Informatica or Tableau as a reporting tool or OBIEs as a reporting tool or Cognos ETL, right? Oh, Informatica generally till now, till 9.52 or 9.6, we have been using this as a ETL tool using Unix script. Python with 9.6 and above has started getting embedded with Informatica in order to process data which are not residing in RDBMS. So there Python has found its place. Then cloud or big data, your Spark analysis or any analysis with respect to big data analytics or any unstructured data analysis, Python basically sits or combines with big data. Your IoT, Internet of Things, it's a very big term. How IoT, what is IoT? IoT in a simple term is basically automizing the code to improvise it by itself by learning through its mistake. In short, giving the capability of improvising oneself, giving the capability to code to improvise itself with respect to the error it faces every time in order to attain a level so that there is negligible error and the result efficiency is maximum. That is what is AI or IoT. Now, apart from that, we would be discussing about numerical Python. Now, numerical Python is NumPy. There we would see about how do we create charts. So in R we have something called ggplot and plot to which we need to download as a package to basically bring out 3D diagrams. In Python we have something called NumPy and other packages which we download like Beautiful Soap and NumPy, ND array, ND matrix, which helps us to plot the graph, line chart, histogram, bar chart, and animations and other animations, perform certain animations. We would be seeing the program. I would be demonstrating some of the programs for you, and I would be giving you certain assignments. Apart from that, we would be discussing about scientific Python. Scientific Python, where the scientific Python is basically used. If I want to find out the oscillation of a cylinder, so there is something called Bernoulli's theorem. If I want to understand the pressure, if basically scientists, if they want to understand certain pressure at a let's say scientific calculation. Now, if I want to understand the presence of any planet or extraterrestrial object, how do